Understanding, nodding in agreement, a simple gesture with powerful meaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the intricacies of the English language to help you navigate it more effectively. Today, we're exploring a common phrase and gesture that often goes unnoticed but plays a significant role in communication: nodding in agreement. Stick around to discover the nuances behind this simple act and why it's so powerful in conversations. At its core, nodding in agreement refers to the act of moving one's head up and down to express approval, acceptance, or acknowledgement. It's a non-verbal cue that universally signifies that the person is in agreement with what's being said. But it's more than just a movement. It's a form of silent communication that conveys understanding and shared perspectives without the need for words. Nodding isn't just a random gesture. It's deeply embedded in human interaction and plays a key role in how we communicate. When someone nods in agreement, it strengthens connections between speakers by showing empathy and understanding, encourages the speaker to continue, as it signals interest and engagement, fosters a positive atmosphere by indicating agreement and harmony. Understanding this gesture can be particularly useful in cross-cultural communication, where verbal language barriers exist. Nodding is a nearly universal sign of agreement that can help bridge the gap between different languages. Nodding in agreement isn't just about agreeing with someone's opinion. It's about showing you're actively listening and processing what's being said. Here are some tips on when and how to use it. During conversations, nod subtly to show you understand the speaker's point. In discussions or debates, use nodding to acknowledge good points even if you don't fully agree with them. Be mindful of your body language to ensure your nodding comes off as genuine and not mechanical. Remember, the key to effective nodding is to make it natural and timely. Overdoing it or nodding at the wrong moments can have the opposite effect, making you seem disingenuous. We hope this exploration of nodding in agreement has shed light on its importance in everyday communication. This simple gesture, though small, can significantly impact how we connect and communicate with others. Keep practicing your nonverbal communication skills, and you'll find it enhances your interactions in both personal and professional settings. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language. See you in the next video.